Welcome to this lesson on writing advertisements. In this video, we'll learn about the different types of advertisements, their format, language features, and scoring tips, everything you need to ace this section in your exam. An advertisement is a public notice designed to promote a product, service, or announce something important. It must be short, attractive, and impactful, often seen in newspapers, websites, and digital platforms. There are two main types of advertisements, classified and display. Classified advertisements are short and structured, used for personal or specific purposes. Display advertisements are creative, colorful, and used to promote products or institutions. Classified advertisements are extremely concise. They're written using phrases, not full sentences. No personal pronouns are used. Every classified advertisement must include contact information and follow the proper format. Here are some of the model examples of classified advertisements. The classified advertisement format begins with a clear heading like "To Let" or "Lost and Found," followed by the key details arranged logically, and ends with contact information. It's always enclosed in a box. In exams, classified advertisements may appear from several categories, such as lost and found, jobs, property, matrimonial, or missing pets. It's important to remember the specific style and structure for each. Sample advertisement. On behalf of the principal of your school, draft a classified advertisement inviting application for some posts of teachers lying vacant and to be filled soon. Situation vacant. DAV Public School, Naranaguda, Hyderabad requires 2 TGTs in English against permanent post. Only experienced and highly qualified candidates with linguistic fluency need to apply. Salary commensurate to experience and professional achievements. Attend walk-in interview with resume, attested testimonials and passport-size photographs on Monday, 16th May 20XX, at 9 a.m. in principal's office. No transport allowance, daily allowance admissible. You are in need of a job. Draft a classified advertisement offering your services. Situation wanted. An electronics and communication engineer, male, 28 years, looking for a suitable job in or around Mumbai in an electronics or communications company offering good working environment and growth opportunity. The candidate has good communication skills in English, Hindi, and Marathi. He is available for interview with a notice of 48 hours. Contact +91-9 for 5999XXXX or write to ravikran123for@gmail.com. Lost and found. You are Prashant Panima of 202, Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi. You lost your briefcase while travelling by bus from Lakshmi Nagar to Connaught Place, New Delhi. The briefcase contains some valuable documents, including your board certificate of All India Secondary School examination. Draft a notification in not more than 50 words to be published in the Indian Express under their column Lost and Found. Include all necessary details about the lost briefcase to establish your claim. Lost and found. I lost my brown VIP's classic brand briefcase with Prashant written near the handle, while travelling by DTC bus route number 89 from Lakshmi Nagar to Connaught Place. It contains some valuable documents. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Contact Prashant, 202 Lakshmi Nagar, New Delhi or phone 0402 719 0048. Found. While travelling in a bus you found some certificates, a wallet and some jewellery in a bag. You found no contact details of the owner in the bag. Draft an advertisement to be published in a local newspaper. Found. Found a bag with some certificates, a wallet and some jewellery items on the 21st of January in Central Park, Rohini. Whosoever has lost it may claim the same by providing authentic proof of ownership. In case of no claim within a week, the bag will be submitted to Mayapuri police station. Contact Sanchay at 9999XXXXXX. Model example. Question: You want to let out a portion of your newly constructed independent house. Write an advertisement to be published in the To Let column of The Hindu. To let. Available for rent, second floor of a newly constructed house in Worli, Mumbai, 2 bedrooms with attached bath, a spacious drawing room, modular kitchen, woodwork done, sun-facing, walking distance from metro station and market, rent negotiable. Contact V. Srihari 987 123 4567. Missing persons. Your younger brother Shirish Matai, aged 15, 145 centimeters tall, fair-colored with a scar on left forehead and dressed in blue jeans and white shirt has been missing for a week. Draft a suitable advertisement for the missing persons column of a newspaper in about 50 words. Missing person. Missing since the 6th of July, Shirish, a young boy of 15, height 145 centimeters, fair complexion, blue eyes, short curly hair and a scar on left forehead. He was in blue jeans, white shirt and black shoes. Finder will be suitably rewarded. Inform SHO Deraden. Phone 040-241-0000. Travels and Tours. Sita Travels, 227 Jagrati Enclave, Delhi offers a package tour for 3 nights for days in Mauritius for 30,000 rupees per person. Draft an advertisement for publication in a national daily in about 50 words. Give necessary details. Travels and Tours. Attractive package available for Mauritius, 3 nights for days, breakfast and dinner, stay at 3-star hotel, sightseeing included. 30,000 rupees per person. Special discount for early birds. Contact Sita Travels, 227 Jagrati Enclave, Delhi. Phone 040-253-62000. Business proposals. You are the director of a Pawan Hansa placement agency with excellent track record. You provide skilled as well as unskilled workers to business establishments, construction companies and manufacturing houses. Draft an advertisement for a national daily offering your services to your prospective clients. Placement services. Available for immediate employment, skilled as well as unskilled workers suitable for business establishments, construction companies and manufacturing houses. For consultancy and confirmation, contact Pawan Hands, 221st Kiti Nagar, New Delhi. Contact 040-527-6688. Matrimonials. A highly placed IT professional settled in London seeks alliance with an exceptionally beautiful, educated, cultured and tall girl of status Punjabi family. Write a suitable advertisement for the matrimonial column of a national daily. Bride wanted. Alliance invited for a very handsome, tall and cultured IT professional 29 years, 180 centimeters tall NRI settled in London as CEO of a reputed firm. Exceptionally beautiful, highly educated and cultured girl between 21 and 25 and at least 5 feet -4 inches tall. Only status Punjabi families. Box 867B, The Times of India, New Delhi. Change of name. You are Renu Sharma but after marriage you wish to add your middle name. Draft a suitable advertisement, declaring and notifying the change of your name. Change of name. I, Renu Sharma, daughter of Ram Sharma, resident of 31, Judge Colony, Delhi as 01, hereby declare that I have changed my name to Renu Shankar Sharma after my marriage to Sachin Shankar, son of Mr. O.M. Shankar of Delhi. All concerned are requested to note for all future purposes and address me by my new name. Educational institutions. You are the Director of National Institute of Vocational Studies, New Delhi. Draft a suitable advertisement for publication in a national daily highlighting some of the special features of your institute. NIVS offers diploma courses in electronics, laser technology, computer and television hardware, software, fashion designing, etc. Duration, 2 years. Eligibility, senior secondary. Excellent faculty, well-furnished labs and workshops. 1-year training. Excellent past record of placement. Quarterly fee, 1,500 Indian rupees. Last date for application? 30 May 20XX. Director, National Institute of Vocational Studies, 27, Pusa Road, New Delhi. Avijit Sharma, residing at 25 Vijayadashami Society, Mani Nagar, wants to sell his independent house located at Vaishnav Devi Circle, Ahmedabad. Draft an advertisement for the same in not more than 50 words. House for sale. Available 1,700 square feet 2 BHK independent house at Vaishnov Devi Circle, Ahmedabad, fully furnished with all the important electronic gadgets with CCTV cameras installed, personal parking and garden area, very near to ATM, bank, post office, supermarket, bus stop, metro station. Price expected only 85 lakhs, negotiable. Interested people can contact Avijit Sharma, 25 Vijayadashami Society Mananagar, contact number 9494949 You are Abhinav Singh. You wish to have an apartment on rent. Draft an advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in an accommodation wanted column of the newspaper. Accommodation wanted. Required 2 BHK apartment, partially furnished with elevator facility, second or third floor, 24 hours water and electricity supply, very near to bank, post office, ATM, hospital, bus stop, shopping center and metro station, preferable in sector 21 or 22, rent around rupees 15,000. Interested people can contact Abhinav Singh 9494949 Display advertisements focus on creativity and design. They use eye-catching slogans, visuals, and promotional language. These advertisements are meant to attract attention and generate interest or sales. When writing display advertisements, make your language powerful and persuasive. Highlight offers, deals, or benefits. The tone should be promotional and appealing to the target audience. This display advertisement promotes a school. Notice the bold heading, feature, and contact info. It's short yet informative, focusing on what attracts parents, academics, safety, and facilities. Follow these do's and don'ts to avoid losing marks. Keep your writing precise and impersonal. Use passive voice and stick to the word limit, especially in classified ads. Advertisements carry 4 marks in your exam. 1 for the format, 2 for the content, and 1 for language and expression. Practicing different types and keeping formats in mind will help you score full marks. Thank you for watching this lesson on advertisement writing. Practice regularly, follow the format, and get creative with your words. Subscribe for more videos on writing skills and Class 11 English. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.